Today we are back with the Full Set Farm, and this is my cousin from the Northern Territory, and we're on the mowers, and we are going to be clearing out all these big trees, and we're going to be putting them on a big bonfire we're going to have in a few days. So yeah, it's going to see if we can tow this big log out. Oh, it's spinning. He's gonna get a run up. Get a run up. Oh. Yes. Wait. It's caught up. This little nub here was getting caught on the fence, so just had to move the fence out of the way. Now we should be able to pull it. See. Yeah, right off the fence. Oh. It's working. Yeah. There it goes. My mower here. And we're going to hook up to this log here, this big giant log. And now I've already hooked it up here. Now I'm going to yank it out. Oh! Oi, back it up. Get caught on the fence. Oh, that's not good. We have to undo this. Yeah, we'll just... the rope was caught around the fence, so we've got to put it back on. And then now we yank it out. Yeah! Woo! Got both these logs, we're going to go bring them to the bonfire now. This log's quite heavy, this thing's 13.5 horsepower. That thing's 24. So, we're going. What's wrong with choke on it? It's hard to cut out. Look at this. That's a big tree. Oh, branch in the back there. Oh, it's bugged. Alright, we got to stand up on here or it's going to tip. It's on a huge angle. What is dying? Alright, he's good. He got stuck up here, only one wheel was spinning. Let's go. That is a big tree. Got a big drop here. Big spin. All good? Good. Look how big that tree is. It's bogged. It's getting stuck in the ditch. On the fire is over there, getting bogged still. He's getting bogged. I'm going to chuck this on the fire. His ratchet strap's just broke. He's had to tie it up. Snap. Like we did last year. He snapped one last year. It's big logs. He's got it going again. I'll bring it to the bonfire. I'm going to load it. We've got to get some logs. So I've both found some more logs. It's got this big one here. I'm going to take the little one because I've got less horsepower, and yeah, we're going to hook them up and take them over as well. I've hooked it up, but these are really rotten. They're really light as well, so they might crumble on the way there, but this one is still kind of intact, but they're really, really light. Oh, that one's in the ground still, that's why it's cutting the root off there with a handsaw. But yeah, my one's really light. Have a look at this. See, look, it's just completely rotten, all rotted out, but we'll still tug it out. undo all these wires first. Radio, now he's going to try and yank this out. Whoa, 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 whoa! Back it up. Snap. There you go. Well, that was successful. Yeah. Broke the fence a little bit. Yeah. Fence is a little bit sloppy. But yeah, take this one back. There we go. Towing it out of here. Gotta help him now. Alright, it's tied it up. Oh look, now it's loosen it. Keep going, loosen it. There we go. I'm about to get smacked. Right, we're gonna get. Whoa. Gotta move it. Alright, now hopefully we've moved the fence wire. I'm holding it with my foot. Hold up, I got it. Keep going. Go. Keep going. You're in the way. No, I'm holding the fence. Keep going. Oh, my mower's in the way. Yeah, no. Right. There we go. He almost ran into me. Oh, he's going. Time to go back. So my logs just fell off, so I've tied it better. Hopefully it won't come off again. Right. Oh, alright, so this is how much we've done so far. I've got to go now, so I will be back with part 2 next week. See you later, hope you enjoyed.